Create new credit line.
Credit line settings. Navigation. From the Action menu, select New. Credit line option or click Loan on the New tab, as displayed below.
Credit line settings. Account data tab. Loan Assistant uses two approaches naming structuring loan accounts. Single loan for a borrower. Loan name will be defined by borrower name, one loan per borrower. Multiple loans for a borrower.
Multiple credit lines for a borrower will be consolidated under borrower's name, customer in QuickBooks, which will simplify accounting and reporting in QuickBooks. To create a parent account name by clicking on the Add Parent Account button. A customer must exist prior to creating a parent account. On the pop-up window, select from the list of borrowers, customers that were previously added to Loan Assistant and save. Once the Add Parent pop-up closes, enter any meaningful loan name in the account name box.
Credit line settings. Borrowers tab. Lender side only. Verify that correct borrower is selected. Add or remove borrowers from the co-borrowers list by clicking left arrow or right arrow. You can also add guarantors to a loan. Click Add button under the Guarantors box. Enter guarantor's information and add the guarantor to a loan. You can also choose guarantors' names from the list of the previously created guarantors.
Credit line settings. Settings tab. Information pertaining to the credit line is entered on this tab. Fields with cyan background are required. Save button gets enabled only after all required fields are filled.
Credit line settings. Penalties and fees tab. The following late penalty fee choices are available. Select none if no penalties are applicable, or select fixed interest, fixed percentage of late payment amount. Enter fixed interest amount in the fixed interest field, or select fixed amount, fixed dollar amount. Enter amount in the fixed amount field. Select fixed amount interest. Whichever is greater of either fixed amount or fixed percentage will be used. Grace period field. If different from default, 0. The number of days after the payment due date before loan starts incurring late penalty charges. Service fee. Additional charge to calculated payment amount, charged with every payment.
Credit line settings. Points and fees tab. Points and fees can be charged at the time when a credit line is created. Check off charges points and origination fees checkbox to enable editing the tab. Set next minimum payment amount. Date if needed. If there is no next minimum payment saved, no late penalty charge will be assessed during the next payment process. A journal entry transaction is added to the credit line transactions grid when a new credit line is saved. Click Save button to save this credit line. Note: for credit line with execution date in the past, Loan Assistant provides an option to enter existing transaction history. The user has an option to continue saving the credit line or enter the history. The history can also be entered via the Enter Existing Transaction History button.
Credit line settings. Documents tab. Use this tab to link any documents that you have to the loan.
Credit line settings. Custom Fields tab. Loan Assistant allows users to create and track custom fields. The fields created by user will be added to each credit line in the company. To view, manage custom fields, use top menu view custom fields. Credit line settings. Payoff Alerts tab. Use this tab to set up alerts, reminders while making a loan payoff or printing a payoff letter.
Credit line settings. Loan templates. Users save time using loan templates. To apply existing loan template, click on the Apply Loan Template button on the left bottom of the screen. To create a new template, check off the below checkbox and type in New Template Name. Note: Loan Assistant supports loan templates. Different types of instrument templates can be saved and applied when creating a new product.
Credit line funding. Navigate to View. Manage Loan screen by clicking on View, Credit Lines top menu. Select Find a Borrower, that associated with the credit line. On the Make Draw screen, fill out all the required info and click OK button. If there are any outstanding charges, the Outstanding Charges button will have a red-colored box in it and will need to be acted on. If there are any outstanding charges, they will need to be either applied to be paid later, paid, or waived.
Credit line funding. There are two options to create the draw transaction. Both will re-recorder to QuickBooks with corresponding types simultaneously. Write a check to your customer. Create a journal entry. Once transaction is saved, it will appear on the bottom Transactions grid, as well as QuickBooks. Real time.
Credit line settings, prospects. Loan Assistant allows creation, saving credit lines that are not finalized and not funded. These instruments will not be created in QuickBooks and will not be part of any reporting. Easily converted to live loans when ready. To create a new prospect, user need. Open new credit line. Select Loan Type tab. Check off a Prospect LOC checkbox. Proceed with the rest of the settings and click Save button. To view a list of saved prospects, go to View Prospects top menu.
Free trial available at theloanassistant.com.